Hello guys, today I'm gonna bake carrot cakes. What we need for this cake is 2 glasses of carrots, 2 glasses of flour, 1 glass of sugar, half a cup of powder milk or 1 cup is also up to you, and then 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, 3 baking powders, 2 vanilla, and some raisins and some vanilla extract for flavor. So first we're gonna mix the raisins, carrots, and a little bit of flour and mix it together. The carrots are not coming out. Put a little bit of flour and mix it. Till everything is well combined. And then in the other bowl you mix everything else together. I will show you how it looks. So this is how it looks after everything is combined, and then we'll keep this aside till we mix everything else, and I'll show you how that happens also. So now we're gonna combine the 3 eggs, sugar, milk, oil, water, flowers, and vanilla. So now everything is well combined. We're gonna put the carrots in the same bowl and mix it with the baking powder and vanilla, and then I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks after we mixed everything with the carrots, and now it's ready to put it in the baking pans. I put some butter and some flour so it will come out easily later on. So now I'm gonna put everything in the baking pan. And it's ready for the oven. You put it in the oven for 200 for around 30 minutes, and it should be ready to enjoy. I'll show you how it looks after it comes out of the oven. Okay, so this is how it looks after it's baked. I hope you guys try it and enjoy it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.